Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online session of business studies. Today, we will be going to learn about the importance of coordination. Coordination, we have learned about the features. Today, we will be deal what is importance of coordination. Let us start. Coordination is important as it integrates the efforts of individuals, departments, and specialists. The primary reason for coordination is that departments and individuals in the organization are interdependent. See here, students, whatever the functions of management are there, the very first function behind this all is the coordination. That coordination makes the work to be integrated and synchronize the efforts of all the people to achieve the common objective. That is, they depend on each other for information and resources to perform their respective activities. Thus, managers need to reconcile differences in approach, timing, effort, or interest. At the same time, there is need to harmonize individual goals and organizational goals. The very first importance of coordination is growth in size. As organizations grows in size, the number of people employed by the organization also increases. At times, it may become difficult to integrate their efforts and activities. All individuals differ in their habits of work, background, approaches to situations, and relationships with others. It becomes necessary to ensure that all individuals work towards the common goals of the organization. But employees may have their own individual goals also. Therefore, for organizational efficiency, it is important to harmonize individual goals and organizational goals through coordination. Meanwhile, it has to be explained that growth is size in this point. Whenever the organization is bigger in size, number of people are more, and this number of people are having different backgrounds, different habits, and different way of working. To integrate the efforts of all these peoples to achieve the common objective, the function which is needed is the coordination. Second importance of coordination is functional differentiation. In an organization, there are different departments, different divisions. To For achieving the objective of the organization, all the departments' functions must integrate to each other. It means all the department must be integrated to each other so that they can achieve the target of the organizations. In an organization, there may be the separate departments of finance, production, marketing, or human resources. All these departments have their own objectives, policies, and their own style of working. For example, the marketing department's objective may be to increase sales by 10% by offering discounts, but the finance department may not approve of such discounts as it means loss of revenue. This kind of conflict arises in organizations because each unit department is performing activities in isolation from others and barriers between departments are becoming more rigid. To come out from this type of different problems, the very first function which is needed is a coordination. All departments and individuals are interdependent. They have to depend on each other for information to perform their activities. So because of that, coordination is very essential and very important function for maintaining peace in the works of the departments. The third importance of coordination is specialization. Modern organizations are characterized by a high degree of specialization. Specialization arises out of the complexities of modern technology and the diversity of tasks to be performed. Organizations therefore need to employ a number of specialists. Specialists usually think that they only are qualified to evaluate, judge, and decide according to their professional criteria. They do not take advice or suggestion from others in matters pertaining to their area of specialization. This creates a problem that all the experts are specialized in their talent and they don't want to listen and get the guidance from other experts. In this situation, the very first function which is needed to unite them is the coordination. Now pause.